look out, look out.
Hey, flying low. Boy, up your ass on my coast, fella. Better get ready for the nickel.
Yeah, for the nickel. Look out. Just made it over here with Johnny, man. We finna see what he got to say about his little truck and what they got going, what action he got. He said he got something for flying low. He said he got some new little tricks up his sleeve. So let's go over here and see what he's talking about. Look out, look out. Look out, look out, look out.
Look out, baby.
What's already, man?
We
got Stacy in the building. Where the drone at? It's ready.
Hey.
It's ready.
Hey, little Johnny.
Yeah, let me see something. I'm finna.
Yeah, this is flying low up again.
He been talking about he looking for Johnny. Here go Johnny right here. Gonna check him out. See what he working with one time for the one time. Photo truck. What year is it? 07?
07.
07 truck. Got it cleaned out. Tweeters. Box. Man, he going against this? Golly. Low, you got an advantage now. He got, what's that, 412? God dang. Full weight, that's for sure. Oh, yeah, man. Y'all check out Johnny, man. Got the double D.
I'm gonna let you goddamn me. You know, let me see this bitch start.
GMC.
I don't know if the bitch started or not.
You know, what you got? You heard about flying low, man. You heard he got that cam in there.
Oh, Johnny back there loping, man.
Yeah, I heard him back there.
Yeah, Johnny back there loping. Flying low, got to come on with it.
Oh, yeah.
You tell Flying low, get his ass up there.
Yeah.
Get his ass up there.
You been with Johnny?
Yeah, that baby Johnny go fuck him up.
Yeah.
Flying low better have some nitrous on that
Yeah.
motherfucker.
He said he putting that juice on there.
Shit. God
Yeah.
damn.
He said.
You need to go back there and let them pipes talk to him.
Let me let them pipe. Let me go back there. Talking low. So,
hey, flying low. Boy, up your ass on my coast, fella. Better get ready for the nickel.
yeah, for the nickel, it's going down.
Or whatever you want to do it for.
They said it start 500.
Whatever you want to do it for.
500.
He came to me, he said 500. It's 500 or better.
Yeah. Look out. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.